Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's unbox my MacBook and iPad together. The laptop that I used before had so many problems, so my father gifted me my dream laptop, which is a MacBook. When purchasing my MacBook, when I was going to select a color, the color which stole my heart was the midnight blue. And as well as when talking about the specifications were actually superb. When talking about my MacBook, it comes with a M2 chip. The M2 chip, it brings incredible performance and capability, so you can blaze through your everyday activities in much easier way. Not only that, we can run multiple apps and even edit thousands of photos and videos. So let's talk about the memory capacity of a MacBook Air 13-inch with a M2 chip. It has got a 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 8GB unified memory and as well as 256GB storage. And it's time to unbox what's inside. So guys, this is the 2-meter charge cable which features a magnetic MagSafe 3 connector. This helps to guide the plug to the charging port of our MacBook. Now it's the time to see our pink girl. So let's change the wallpaper of our new iPad. I forgot to tell you guys, this is a 10th gen iPad. I thought to post this video because this is such a great memory for me, as well as if someone is willing to buy an iPad or a Mac, they can even get a small idea through my video. So this was the time that we did the settings of this pink girl.
Hi, this is me. Bye everyone.
Thank you everyone for watching my video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.